Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 9 coolest tech gadgets all available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some awesome new gear, we've got you covered. So let's get started. 9. Wireless Foldable Keyboard. A wireless foldable keyboard is a compact, portable input device designed for ease of use and convenience, especially for people on the go. Its foldable nature makes it highly versatile, allowing users to easily store it in a bag or even a pocket when not in use. When unfolded, it offers a full-size keyboard experience, enabling comfortable typing similar to a traditional keyboard. The wireless functionality of the keyboard typically relies on Bluetooth technology, which allows it to connect seamlessly to a variety of devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This eliminates the need for cables and clutter, providing a clean and efficient workspace. Many models support multi-device connectivity, enabling users to switch between different devices with ease, which is particularly useful for multitasking across various platforms. The foldable keyboard often features durable materials and a sturdy design to withstand frequent folding and unfolding. 8. Smart Plant Ivy. Smart Plant Ivy is an innovative approach to indoor gardening, combining the timeless appeal of ivy with cutting-edge technology. This smart plant system is designed to make caring for plants simpler and more intuitive. It typically features a blend of traditional ivy, known for its hardy nature, and elegant trailing vines with modern technology that monitors and supports plant health. The smart component often includes sensors that track soil moisture, light levels, and temperature, ensuring the ivy receives the optimal conditions for growth. Some models are equipped with a companion app that provides real-time updates and care reminders, helping users manage their plants' needs effortlessly. The app might offer tips on how to adjust lighting, watering schedules, or even troubleshoot common issues. In addition to its tech features, Smart Plant Ivy is usually designed to be aesthetically pleasing, often incorporating sleek pots or planters that complement modern home decor. 7. Magnetic Phone Grip. A magnetic phone grip is a modern accessory designed to enhance the usability and safety of your smartphone. This innovative device typically consists of a small adhesive-backed magnetic pad that attaches securely to the back of your phone or phone case. Once in place, the grip provides a convenient hands-free way to hold your phone, making it easier to text, take photos, or watch videos without fear of dropping it. The magnetic feature allows for easy attachment and removal of the grip, providing a versatile solution that can be used with various phone cases and mounts. Many magnetic phone grips also feature adjustable or expandable arms, allowing users to customize the grip to their specific needs, whether for a better grip during one-handed use or for added stability when using the phone in a stand-up position. Additionally, some models come with integrated stands or card holders, further enhancing their functionality. 6. JBL Flip 6 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Flip 6 is a robust and versatile portable speaker designed to deliver high-quality audio experiences on the go. With its sleek, cylindrical design, it combines durability with style, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. The Flip 6 boasts JBL's signature sound performance, offering powerful bass and clear, balanced audio through its 2 JBL bass radiators and full-range drivers. One of the standout features of the JBL Flip 6 is its rugged construction. It is built with an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. 5. Smart GemtoS AT Case. A Smart GemtoS AT Case is an advanced accessory designed to provide a seamless and efficient way to utilize two solid-state drives, SDS, outside of a computer's internal storage. These cases are engineered to offer superior protection, connectivity, and performance, making them an invaluable tool for both tech enthusiasts and professionals. Constructed from durable materials like aluminum or high-strength plastic, the case ensures that the SSD is shielded from physical damage, dust, and environmental hazards while also promoting efficient heat dissipation to prevent overheating during intense data transfers. One of the primary features of the Smart GemtoS AT case is its advanced connectivity options. These cases are often equipped with USB 3.1, USB-C, or even Thunderbolt interfaces, enabling high-speed data transfer rates that can significantly enhance productivity and performance. 4. Anchorwork M650 Microphone. The Anchorwork M650 microphone is a high-quality audio capture device designed for professional and everyday use, offering excellent performance for a range of applications including podcasting, streaming, video conferencing, and recording. Known for its sleek, user-friendly design and advanced features, the M650 aims to deliver crystal-clear sound and superior audio quality. The microphone typically features a cardioid pickup pattern, which is ideal for isolating sound from the front while minimizing background noise and echo. This makes it perfect for capturing clear vocals and detailed audio in various environments, whether you're in a home office, a recording studio, or on the go. The cardioid pattern ensures that your voice is the primary focus, enhancing the clarity and precision of your recordings. Connectivity is a key highlight of the Anchorwork M650. It often includes both USB and 3.5mm jack options, allowing for versatile connections with a wide range of devices from computers and laptops to smartphones and tablets. This flexibility ensures that you can easily integrate the microphone into your existing setup without the need for additional adapters or equipment. Another important feature of the M650 is its built-in controls. 3. Roker Scout Beetle MI02. The Roker Scout Beetle MI02 is an innovative and compact Bluetooth speaker that blends functionality with portability, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go audio experiences. Known for its distinctive design and advanced features, the MI02 is crafted to deliver high-quality sound in a small, stylish package. One of the standout features of the Roker Scout Beetle MI02 is its sleek, Beetle-inspired design, which not only looks unique but also enhances its portability. The speaker's compact size allows it to fit easily into bags or pockets, making it a convenient choice for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a high-quality audio solution on the move. The MI02 is equipped with Bluetooth technology, enabling wireless connectivity to a range of devices including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This wireless capability eliminates the hassle of tangled cables and allows for easy pairing and seamless audio streaming. 2. AceMagic AM18 Mini Gaming PC. The AceMagic AM18 Mini Gaming PC is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver high-performance gaming in a sleek, space-efficient package. Despite its small size, the AM18 packs impressive hardware, including a powerful processor, typically an Intel Core or AMD Ryzen CPU, and a dedicated graphics card such as an NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon GPU. This combination ensures smooth gameplay and high frame rates, making it suitable for a wide range of modern games. The system often features ample RAM starting at 8 GB and fast SD storage, which provides quick load times and efficient data handling. The Mini PC's design emphasizes both style and functionality, with a durable, compact chassis that fits comfortably in tight spaces and can be easily transported. Connectivity options are robust, including multiple USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and Ethernet for stable online gaming, as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connections. 1. Belkin's First Key 2 Battery Pack. Belkin's First Key 2 Battery Pack marks a significant advancement in wireless charging technology, showcasing the latest enhancements in the Key 2 standard. This innovative battery pack is designed to offer superior convenience and efficiency for users seeking a reliable portable power solution. Unlike its predecessors, the Key 2 standard introduces improved charging speed, efficiency, and alignment capabilities, ensuring a more seamless and effective charging experience. The battery pack features a sleek, compact design that enhances its portability, allowing users to easily carry it in a bag or pocket. Its modern ergonomic form not only looks stylish, but is also practical for on-the-go use. The pack supports rapid wireless charging, leveraging the latest Key 2 technology to deliver high power output for faster device replenishment. This advancement means that devices compatible with Key 2 can be charged more quickly compared to older wireless charging standards. Compatibility is another strong suit of Belkin's Key 2 battery pack. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest tech gadgets, all available on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about, or if there's another cool tech you think we should feature next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.